I'm here to introduce to you the new turntable from Mojo Bonsai. This is a desktop version, and it's been made specifically for bigger trees. It's got a really good free movement, and it'll take 1,000 pounds in weight, or 450 kilos. It's also got very high density rubber feet. As you can see, it's not particularly lightweight. It's really good. It's very solid. It's got 18mm ply on top and bottom, and a very free-flowing mechanism. When you've got a large turntable like this, and particularly with trees that have got very large pots, it's great to be able to just simply spin the tree around to get on all angles, you know, particularly if you're defoliating or if you're wiring. And it's, as you can see, it's got very, very free movement. So if you want to see any more, if you visit mojobonsai.com, you'll see the full range there.